Hello and welcome to Sew and Stack. We have upcycled an old wall sign to make this photo prop for my product photos. As you know, Abaniz is the name of my small business and now I have a name board of my own. Today is about sharing the process of how we came up with this idea. We randomly shopped for a wooden shelf in a thrift store recently and we didn't find a proper one. But we found this wall sign of "Oh what fun" quote and we thought we'll make some use of this. The color tone and the whole vibe about this sign is mostly holidays, but my shop is not all about selling seasonal products. So we have decided we'll cover the whole thing with a neutral tone fabric and then come up with an idea for a design. I actually forgot to film this from the very beginning, but what I simply did was measuring the inner length and the width of the board and then cut the fabric according to that measurement. This was 39 by 9 inches. Then I simply glue gun the fabric on the board. Now I'm moving to the design part. Initially I was thinking about gluing some white clouds on top, simple as that. Then my husband came up with an idea to show our store name as well. So I roughly sketched how it's gonna be. We're gonna need 4 clouds and letters for the name Abaniz. I use felt fabric here. Those are really easy to use in this kind of projects because they don't fray. I use empty cereal boxes, cookie boxes to draw my pattern sometimes because it's easier to draw around it then. This cloud pattern was already with me, so I didn't have to make a new one. I have selected white for the clouds and beige for the letters. I think staying with a neutral color tone for the main photo prop gonna help in products with any color variant. I have printed letters for the Abaniz, and since these are larger pieces, pinning down pattern to the fabric is very useful to cut the letters. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going for a neutral color tone for the letters as well, and after cutting everything we are ready to go. see, the code "Oh what fun" is still visible through the fabric. Let's get an idea about how it's gonna turn out at the end. I think everything fits perfectly, and now you don't see the previous sign. One by one, we're gonna glue the pieces onto the board as we planned in the sketch. I feel like I love sewing more. Glue gun is not my strong suit. I make a lot of garlands for nurseries and kids' rooms. So we thought of adding 2 hooks to the 2 corners of the board. Then it will be easier to hang and take product photos. For this part of the process, I got help from my husband because he's better with using power tools. What we did was we simply marked the 2 points we needed for the hooks and then drilled those points to insert the hook. This is the final look. We hung the name board in our product photography area, and now all we have to do is take pictures. I'm using those hooks to easily hang one of my garlands. So every time someone sees my product, they see my store name as well. This only cost me a couple of extra dollars to create my own store banner. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll join you in the next one.